Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account. So now just log into your YouTube channel and then click on your profile right here. Now make sure to switch the account that you want to use. Now click on YouTube Studio. Okay, this one right here, and then you'd be redirected to your channel dashboard. Now click on settings at the left side corner of your screen, and then here from the options just select permissions. Okay, now click on the invite option, so this one right here, and then you have to type out the email of the user that you want to transfer your account to. So for example, this user, now you just have to select the access. So as of the moment, YouTube remove the feature where you can transfer your account directly, but you can choose among these choices. So for example, the manager can view everything, manage permissions, go live, and create, edit, and delete content. So let's go for this one for now. Okay, so select manager, so you can also select editor, and then click on done. Now to select or send your invitation, you have to click on the save option. So this one right here. And then you'd be redirected to type out your password to verify that it's you. And then you have to open your email using the account that you have sent the email to. So here you can see now the invitation. So all I have to do is to click on the accept invitation. Okay, and then after that, I'll be redirected to the channel dashboard. So as you can see, I am now using the new account for this channel, which has the access of manager. So let's try to see. So just click on the settings at the left side of your screen and then go ahead and then click on permissions. As you can see, I am now a manager of this channel, and then the invitation pending option is no longer there. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.